In this video, we're going to be learning about the equation of a circle. The equation of a circle at GCSE comes in the form of x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, where r is the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is the distance from the centre to the circumference, and you'll notice that if the centre is at the origin, it will be the same as the point of intersection with either the x-axis or the y-axis. The radius in this case is 12, so the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to 12 squared. So simplifying the 12 squared, x squared plus y squared is equal to 144. This is the equation of the circle. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. The radius of the circle in the second question is 6. So the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to 6 squared. Simplifying 6 squared gives me x squared plus y squared is equal to 36. This is the equation that will give me any point on the circumference of the circle.